Okay.
All right, so do like your 2 or 3 colors like we've been doing.
Okay.
Oh, how come I don't have a light pink? That's rude.
You had like a pink shade.
I've got magenta.
One, yeah, that's the one.
Pink.
My pink. I shouldn't have gone with
We're
such a
doing
dark
some
color.
gel printing today, Apple. And this is my friend Megan. She's in town for the night.
Just happened
to be in town. Happened to receive my invitation to collab.
Quite. Making decisions over here. Okay, that's the one I'm doing.
Okay.
My finger's looking rather colorful.
Yes, that's delightful. So when your paint's wet, put your bubble wrap down. But you gotta be like really fast. Whoops. As I'm being slow.
I am speed.
And when it's still wet, pull up what you got. After you pull up the bubble wrap. It is a lot of fun. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Yep. And then get your paper and pull it as fast as you can.
You can't grab anything.
I
told you I can't. So cool.
Ta-da!
The bubble wrap moved, you can tell.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Sometimes smears look cool.
Cool. Kind of looks like those weird like windows sometimes on bathrooms.
Oh
Like
yeah.
the weird texture.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like the outside. The outdoors.
Okay, so the bubble wrap is what we like to call a texture tool. And you use texture tools basically in the same way that we did the bubble wrap.
Mm-hmm.
Like you put your paint down, you put your texture tool down, and it lifts paint up in whatever pattern is the texture.
Yeah.
And then you can either let it dry to do like layers of texture, or you can pull it up immediately while it's still wet.
Mm-hmm.
So we can do what we just did with any of the texture tools in here. Like we've got some really fine hexagons. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, hexagons. And we've got some like sewing, whatever. I don't know what this is. You probably know.
I forget the name of it every time.
We've got some embossed paper that works as a texture tool as well. Let me try that out. I like to use this sometimes. This is actually from one of my kitchen utensils.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's gotten because it's got an interesting pattern. I think it's from like my chopper.
Okay, yeah.
And so I kind of use it like a reverse stamp, where I like put the paint down and then use it to lift paint off.
Oh, cool.
And if the paint's still wet, I can stamp it onto other parts of the plate if the plate's big enough.
Yeah.
So you can use whatever of these you want. You can use the stencils or whatever.
I like what you made.
And my table is so small. Actually, I want this. Sebastian, are you still here? I haven't heard from you in a while.
Alright.
He probably got intimidated by our awesomeness and ran off to be with Jesse. Jesse, they were so mean to me. I need an adult.
Yeah. It's hard being a child. I would know.
You're one to talk.
I would know. I'm a child. So do you let it kind of dry, or you do what's
Well,
wet?
I kind of have to because I waited too long. Or I didn't put enough paint on because it dried before I could lift it. But yeah, for you, while it's still wet, just
Not quite.
Yeah, it's not
subtle.
It's not perfect with like the. I don't know.
Might do
I'm not a
better.
huge fan of like the toilet paper tube ones that I made because they're just the lines aren't thick enough.
I wonder if I can layer.
Oh, you definitely can. Okay, that's dry enough.
Oh damn!
Yes, it's
That
gonna
looks so fun.
It's gonna look so good.
Snatch it before it dries too much.
This is fun.
It is fun. I'm glad you're here so I can teach it to you. And plus, it's been a while since I've done a gel printing stream, so.
Yeah. Fun up to you. I would have been down to make Halloween cards too.
Yeah. Well, that involves like a lot more supplies. Okay, that didn't really turn out that great, but that's fine.
So if I wanted to pull this off better, what should I do?
Wait for it to dry completely, and then do a wet layer on
Do
top.
like a, okay.
Yeah.
I will do that.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one again. Just maybe do better this time instead of stinking it up. You smelling it?
No, just kind of like trying to see like if it was shiny, like still wet.
Oh, there, that turned out better.
Oh, that looks nice.
Hope I didn't let it dry too quick. I'm so paranoid when I pull it up because I'm like, it's gonna look like crap. Yep, I waited too long.
It kind of looks good.
Yeah, it's kind of subtle.
Make a good background piece.
I can like cut out this part. Wait for this to dry and pull it up onto something else. Do I have something I can pull it up onto? I do. That looks so cool, Megan.
Yeah.
No,
The cardboard like kind of came out at the
it's
end. Nice.
I lobe it. I lobe it. I like to lobe it, lobe it. Don't judge me.
When it intensifies.
Sorry, I feel like that's better. Okay.
I'm taking over your stream.
It's fine.
I can't see you anymore.
No. I normally go for 3 hours, but we can probably start it or stop at 9, like my regular time, because you might be falling asleep by then.
Yeah, one of two things might happen. I might get really silly, or yeah, I might start like yawning. Why haven't I been yawning? Which is interesting. Surprising.
Sleeping in your paint. You wake up tomorrow morning with like paint on half your face. Like, where did that come from? You fell asleep on your plate. That's what happened.
On my plate.
Oh, there we go.
I fell asleep on my plate. Sounds like I fell asleep like at the table. That is really pretty. I like that texture too. That's nice.
And I still have some extra paint on the plate, so I can get like another print out of it.
Sure can.
Yes, sirree, Bob.
Sweet Bobberoo.
Mm-hmm. Oh, do you know what I put in my my stream notification? The only thing I put was gnome girl in Minecraft of adventure, just all like smushed together.
That's good.
I like it.
Some mixed textures.
Ooh, you know what I think would be really cool with this? Iridescent white. Sparkly!
Sparklies!
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
There's never enough sparkle in life. I agree.
Horn.
Unicorns, I love them. Unicorns, I love them. Unicorns. Unicorns. I could pet one if they were really real, and they are.
Totally.
I've seen that movie way too many times.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yes, you do. Have you not seen Despicable Me?
Oh god, it's been forever though.
Oh, okay.
So
I was gonna say, I don't know if we can be friends.
unless it's
anymore.
really iconic, I probably won't remember the line.
Well, that's where It's So Fluffy.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
from, yeah. Okay.
But yeah, no, I've seen all the Despicable Me.
Oh, okay. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
I just didn't retain that
Oh, okay.
particular one. So fluffy, I'm gonna die.
You may just want to use like a blank sheet, or that's fine too.
I'm gonna try this weird polka dotted weird thing that I made. And it's gonna be fun.
Now we've got a shimmery one that has like a very subtle like texture pattern on it. I like. Trying to decide what I want to do now.
Paper's all shimmery.
Yeah. Yeah, my roll-off paper is all shiny.
Fabulous.
Oh, blue. Sorry, my voice cracked. My voice cracked in the middle of that, and I was like,
Ta-da.
pretty. And see, like the gold like came through the stencil.
Yeah.
Very nice. See, you're getting the hang of it. It's very Christmassy.
It really is.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.